Ndewo. Hi, I'm Yvonne Mbanefu, and this is another one of my mini videos showing an Igbo word, Okowaokwu, in my book, Okowaokwu Igbo Umuaka, Igbo Dictionary for Children. Today's word is Zara, swollen. Zara, swollen. Zara, swollen. Zara, swollen. Imi Okafo zara. Imi Okafo zara. Okafor's nose is swollen. Imi Okafo zara. Imi Okafo zara. Okafor's nose is swollen. Zara, swollen. Zara, swollen. Anyway, this is the Igbo word for today. I'm Yvonne Mbanefu, and this has been another one of my Igbo word videos. You can find well over 1,140 more words and sample sentences in the book Okowaokwu Igbo Umuaka, Igbo Dictionary for Children, now available at Amazon and also on Amazon Kindle. Don't forget to connect with us online at the main social media platforms, and you can also get more information about this book at www.igbodictionaryforchildren.com. Komesia. See you soon.